Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So we've got a piece of ash on the lathe and we're going to make this bowl glow. So right now we are just marking out for a mortise and now for a foot. Alright, we've got the camera into position and the lathe turned on, and we're going to start by turning it to shape. And the first tool we're going to use is the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. Just getting it to round to start off with, and now we're taking them corners off and obviously getting it to shape. Going to go right up to the foot. And now we're going to make the mortise. We've got the mid-size rougher here to clean it all out. There we go, we're just flattening it all off as well. We're just going to flatten off the foot, and now we're going to match the angles of the jaws in the chuck with a detailer. And there you go. And now we're going to do a little bit of sanding. And there you go. Alright, we've got it outside and we're going to do a bit of Scorchy Scorchy all over it. There you go, Mother Nature wasn't very nice to me that day, and decided that the wind was going to keep blowing on my tripod around, but we managed to get most of it in scene. There we go, just going all around it. Make sure we get a nice deep scorch. Alright, now we're going to use a wire brush and we're going to clean out all of the soot from the grain. Yeah, we've got the lathe going on fairly slow at the moment. And now we've got it stationary and we're just going to go round and do it by hand. Going in all various different directions, making sure we get all of the soot out. And go, doing the last few bits now. There you go. And a bit of compressed air, just get rid of them last bits of residue. Alright, so we're going to make our glowing mix now. So this is some microcrystalline wax here. And some glow powder. We're just going to mix all of that up. Make a nice little paste. Alright, now we've got that mixed up, we're going to use our finger. Obviously you could use a paper towel if you liked, but like I say, I'm using my finger and we're just going to wipe that all into the grain. I'm going to apply it quite liberally to start off with, and all the way around the bowl, making sure we get all the bits covered. Go, just going around the bottom now. Alright, so now we're going to wipe it in with a paper towel. And go, got the lathe running now, fairly slow, making sure we get a nice even coverage. We're going to let it evaporate for a little bit, and we're going to buff it in about 1000 to 1200. Obviously we don't want to push it too hard, we don't want to wipe off any of the wax. We're just going to build up that heat. And there we go. Alright, so now we are going to hollow out the bowl, and the first tool we're using is the #1 hollower. So all tools used in this video, even the cutters and the lathe, will be linked down in the description if anybody is interested. Go, going quite thin on the walls, not too thin that it explodes on me, but thin enough. Just going to get rid of that nubbin in the middle there, at the bottom. And there you go. Alright, now we're going to do some sanding up to 240 grit. Go, getting ready to do the last bit now. And there you go. Here's some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean the grain. And some Yorkshire Grit Abrasive Paste. Gonna wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1000 grit. So this project is fantastic for wands and such. So with that being said, here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.